First thing we're going to do is remove the 510mm nuts and bolts holding on the heat shield. Pull the heat shield down. Now that we have access to the carrier, we're going to cut off the carrier frame. You can make 1 or 2 cuts, it's up to you. I'm going to do 1 cut and then bend the frame out of the way. I'm going to use a razor blade to trim the rubber all the way around to help release the bearing. Remove the 2 13mm bolts holding the OEM carrier frame. Pull the frame out and throw it away. Use your razor blade to trim down the center rib. You can leave a little bit of it there. We'll use it to locate the bushings later. Leave the base layer of rubber intact. Going to bolt up the new carrier. Text is going to go towards the front. And then you'll see on the top of the bushings, front is also labeled. Put the 2 halves around the bearing, lining up the groove in the bushing with the center rib from the bearing. Tighten up the bolts that hold the 2 halves of the carrier together. Work your way back and forth so they don't get bound up. Slide the isolation dampers onto the feet. Put the bolt with the fender washer coming down from the top. Flip it upside down. Put the small washers on the ends of each bolt. Slide it up into place and tighten the bolts.